Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn the file history service on or off on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial for those running the Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 operating systems respectively. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Services. One of the best managers should say Services on this list. You want to left click on it one time to open it up, and now you want to use the scroller on the right side here or your mouse scroller and go down to get to the file history service right here. Double click on it. Underneath startup type, if you're looking to turn it on, click inside this drop down menu, select automatic, and then click on apply and OK. If you're looking to disable this service, click inside the drop down menu and select disabled and then apply and OK. Again, it's whatever you're trying to accomplish. So I'm going to select apply and OK to turn it on. I would recommend you restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should resolve the issue you guys came to this video looking for. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.